Hello, I am Kevin Modi, presently a second year student pursuing BTech Chemical Engineering at the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences at Ahmedabad University. So basically, chemical engineering is one of the most important core branches of engineering. It deals with the design and operation of various chemical processes which can be implemented in order to convert the raw materials into useful products. So being a major engineering branch, I feel that all those students who aspire to become chemical engineers in the future should be provided with the best quality of education as well as top-notch infrastructure. I firmly believe that here at Ahmedabad University, the students would get that kind of education as well as that kind of infrastructure that will enable them to become one of the best chemical engineers. Focusing on the infrastructure, the classrooms are the main foundation of any college's infrastructure. So the classrooms at Ahmedabad University are auditorium styled and are really very well built with modern benches. They are fully air conditioned and are supported with audio video systems. These facilities provide students with a comfortable study environment. Also, the laboratories here at Ahmedabad University are really well equipped with modern instruments and equipment. There are numerous labs at Ahmedabad University which have been divided on the basis of various domains of chemical engineering like organic, inorganic, physical chemistry, etc. All the students, be it undergraduate or masters or PhD students, can perform experiments in these laboratories by utilizing the state-of-the-art instruments and apparatus. Moreover, the working conditions in these laboratories are very safe and very favorable. Not only this, Ahmedabad University has several libraries which consist of a variety of books ranging from textbooks to reference books and journals. The students can use these books for both study purposes as well as for project work. Each of these libraries are equipped with several computer systems which allow the students to perform their research or project work. Apart from this, the libraries also have separate group discussion rooms. Overall, these libraries offer the perfect study environment to the students. Moreover, the university also has a fabrication workshop. This workshop consists of various machines that can be used for various purposes like cutting, milling, drilling, etc. Basically, the students at Ahmedabad University are encouraged to be more creative and innovative. This approach encourages the students to design different products, and through the means of the fabrication workshop, the students can make their designed products a reality. Moreover, the university also has a venture studio. The main aim of this studio is to help the students give wings to their startup ideas by providing funding, mentoring and cutting edge infrastructure. However, Ahmedabad University does not solely focus on education. It also believes in promoting an equal involvement of students in sports and recreation. The University Center at our university is the place where the students can experience a mix of both indoor as well as outdoor activities. Students can play games like table tennis, basketball, squash, volleyball, etc. The University Center is also equipped with a gym. Not only this, the canteen at our university is very vast and is easily able to cater to the needs of the students. Lastly, the student lounge is an ideal place for the students to interact with each other and engage in lively discussions. Overall, the infrastructure at Ahmedabad University is a class apart and is one of the main pillars of the university that enables the students to study well and boost their productivity in a rather stress-free environment.